Hello and welcome to Gastro Pup. I'm Nishant and I'm here to show you how to make healthy, easy, yummy recipes for your pets right at home, be it a dog, a cat, or your neighbor who thinks music's only purpose is to be loud. So New Year is around the corner, and to celebrate that, we've got a Gastro Pup invention to show you today. And we're so excited because it's turned out so well. Believe me, all our experiments don't. So stay tuned and we are going to show you how to make Chicken Chaklis for your pet this New Year's. So let's start on a Chakli adventure. What I've got here is a chicken breast that I've pulverized in a masala grinder that everyone has in the kitchens. And into it, I'm going to put just a pinch of cinnamon powder. You just mix it. I'm going to now put this into a piping bag. So all you need to do is put the piping bag over a glass like so. So depending on how thick you want your murrukku to be, cut the end that big, about this much. I'm going to just drop some murrukkus here on the baking sheet. So I've preheated the oven to about 120 degrees and I'm going to pop these chaklis into the oven for about 2 hours. So the chaklis have turned out beautifully and I can't wait for a guest of honor to try this. So Thursday and Django are going to be the first dogs in the world to have these chicken chaklis, which I think is awesome. Let's see what they think of it. Like it? They do. So if you like this recipe also, please do give us a like. If you have friends with pets or pets with friends, please share this video with them. And if you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear from you. And of course, as always, subscribe. And from all of us here at the Gastro Pup family, we wish you a very, very happy New Year.